Naomi Home presents the Elizabeth Modern DIY Collection Assembly video. Before we begin, please make sure to have the assembly instructions on hand to follow along and have all the parts listed. This DIY collection has a versatile system that allows you to transform your furniture into an accent chair, ottoman, sectional. You name it, the more pieces you have, the more options you get. To get started, attach 2 L connectors into each backrest and each arm piece by using 2 of the smaller bolts per each L connector. Now, connect a leg onto each backrest and each of your left and right arm piece. Use a washer and a bolt to attach each leg in place. Attach 4 legs onto each base piece by using a washer and a bolt per leg. Gently hammer in a leg protector into each of your legs. To assemble a sofa chair, connect a backrest and 2 arm pieces onto your base like so. Place the back cushion against the backrest, and there you have it. You made a sofa chair. To transform your furniture piece, start by placing each sofa base in the desired location and lock them in place by using the U connectors. And there you have it. Now you know how to assemble and change up your pieces for the Elizabeth Modern DIY collection. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.